At Celona, we are seeing private 5G deployments across three major verticals: oil and gas, manufacturing, and distribution and logistics. Across all these three verticals, there are some common themes. The first one is a connected worker. In all these industrial sectors, the organizations are trying to empower the end worker with devices which will allow him to monitor all the activities that he needs in order to do his job, whether it is documentation, work orders, being able to communicate with an expert at a different location, and react very quickly to the job at hand. All these require reliable connectivity in an industrial environment, which can be indoors or outdoors in a large sprawling area, which lends itself very well to private 5G. The second use case we see is connected machines. This can come like an Industry 4.0, maybe connecting a machine to the network for predictive maintenance, for example, or connecting an AGV robot, which is mobile, back to the enterprise network. Or maybe it could come in terms of a machine vision camera that's doing a QA check at end of a production line, which needs connectivity. In all these cases, it's often very expensive to draw a hardwired line, uh, providing power and network connectivity to these equipments distributed across the factory. And the very fact that you can have a reliable private wireless network with high QoS available to connect all these different applications makes it very beneficial in that industry. And finally, you get the benefits of connecting people and machines to the network. You're able to apply AI machine learning on top of that and accomplish an overall operational efficiency, which improves the productivity and the safety for the organization.